Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix vMix error attempted to read or write to protected memory. Alright, let's begin. So how to fix this, essentially this error over here that I screenshotted on my screen right now. So in case you're getting this error, I'm going to show you how to fix it easily and quickly. So the best thing you can do is to go into your search box inside Windows and open up NVIDIA control panel. So just search for it and then open it up. Now, once you've done this, click on it and wait for a few seconds. So it opens up, there we go. And then once you're in here, what you want to do is kind of expand these 3D settings over here with this plus icon and click on Manage 3D Settings. Once you do this, what you want to do is go to the second tab, which is Program Settings over here. And then from here, you want to select your program. So of course, we're talking about vMix. So just click on vMix, click over here, find it from the list. I don't have it installed on this user, but you will just have to select it. So just click on it once you find it. And then you want to go over here where it says select the preferred graphics processor for this program. And from whatever you have selected, click on it and select integrated graphics. Once you do that, simply press apply and you're good to go. After you've done this, what you want to do is try opening up vMix and seeing if the error still persists. And if it doesn't, that's great. However, if it does, there's a few more things you can do, and I'm going to show you how to do them right now. So what you want to do is go back down here and go inside Device Manager. And then once you're inside Device Manager over here, what you want to do is go to Display Adapters and look for your graphics card to select your dedicated graphics card. And then if that doesn't work, do the exact same process for your integrated graphics card as well. What you want to do is over here, you want to right click on it and press Properties. And then from here, you want to go to Driver and then inside Driver. Once this loads up, if you have an option to update driver, press this and then follow the instructions. If you don't have this, if you can't update the driver, you can try rolling back the driver to previous version. Now, once you do this, you'll have to restart your device and then see if your vMix is working. So that's basically how you can fix vMix error attempted to read or write to protected memory. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.